All right, Joe, they're here with a vlog. Brandon.
Peace.
What's up?
What's up?
What are we doing today?
Today we're going to be looking at my S14 as
Let's go.
Possible request by other users. So, yeah.
What year is it?
It's a 1996 S14 SE, so the 5 lug and all that stuff. All the fun jazz.
Do you care if your license plate's in it?
I don't give one hell if my license plate in it.
Don't steal a shit.
I'm from Minnesota. We kill people for stealing things.
Boom, baby. All right, Brandon, what do we got? He's got B. Myers.
That's my name. I got grip royal steering wheel, like all the cool kids. I don't have much for an interior because the racing seats had to come out to daily drive it. Lots of parts. It's got Stance GR Plus coilovers on it. It's got driftwork rear and front knuckles. It's getting modified front lower control arms. Other than that, it's just a stock KA. It's going to be getting a turbocharger from ISR Performance pretty soon. Other than that, it's got a fairly rare GP Styles body kit on it and charge speed rear bumper. But other than that, it's got custom cool fancy graphics, and that's about it.
This is Brandon's Instagram and lifestyle, Z Magic Garage.
That was for Datsuns, and now I don't own any more again. But I will own another Nissan Z someday. But yeah, just a pesky little K series motor.
With a hot air intake.
With a hot air intake that was on there from the guy I bought it from. Currently, it's super reliable. Went out to a drift event, drove the car 2.5 hours, drifted 3 days on it, and then we drove it back after that. So didn't break, didn't have any problems. I daily it. So once the Mustang is done, I will be doing a full tube rear half on it and front half on it, and either doing other custom work to it or just leaving it at that.
Shoot, yeah, dude.
There's a bunch of weird people vlogging your legs.
We're not weird.
Oh, wait, this is normal for YouTube videos.
Yeah.
I mean, the latch is a little janky.
What do we have here?
That is where I got rear-ended 2 days ago, maybe 4 days ago. A bit upset, but it is life, and insurance pays for wonderful things of such nature. And I also just got a HKS high power exhaust. So sounds pretty nice, not too loud, good for daily use. If you like it, you want to see more build features of it, just let us know.
Hit Brandon up on Instagram, I'll have a link to it.
Follow me at Z Magic Garage and see some of my updates, my build threads through all their stuff. If you want to see more personal stuff, you can come through our podcast and we'll do more things from there.